Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to do a real quick unboxing from White Mountain Knives, where I order a lot of my stuff. Um, Real quick, I'm going to ask if you would hit that subscribe button, that bell notification icon next to it. It would really help me out in the channel. The unboxing knife today is going to be the Tucson TS something double detent Warncliffe. I'm really digging this knife. Look for a review coming up on it. All right, guys. So this is not a remake of an original, but this is a mini version of an original. We'll just call it that. And guys, this is the VOSTEED Mini Nightshade. Tell you a little story about this knife. I was in Atlanta at Blade Show. I was at VOSTEED's booth, and I saw a little knife that looked similar to the Nightshade, which is one of my sliciest knives. And you know the story about my Vox Shilin that never came. Buyer beware. But in either case, I saw this little guy, and it is really small. You get some VOSTEED safety guidelines. You get extra axis springs. I like seeing that. You don't see that every day. You get a VOSTEED patch, a Nightshade sticker, a little VOSTEED cleaning pouch, rag, whatever you want to call it, and then the NAF. So this knife is very oily. So what I will do is I will stick the stuff back in the box. Never know where this will end up. Stuff, 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 and that. All right. So let me grab an old dusty Damn Designs rag, and we'll see what we got here. So this is centered up. It's the VOSTEED with the bar lock little nightshade. What do they call it again? Yeah, the mini nightshade. So it doesn't have the finger hole. It has thumb studs instead, but it's got that same forward facing blade. I can tell you immediately upon picking this knife up, the ergos are fantastic. When I picked it up over at Blade Show, I noticed with it being a bar lock, you've just got this little back spacer, you've got these red thumb studs, and you've got this little stainless steel cage, but the rest of this carbon fiber is just that. It is just the scales. So thumb studs, thumb flick works good. Reverse flick is on point. This little guy has got a nice sharpening tool. You can see where the termination of that plunge is right back there. So you've got many good sharpenings. What I love about this knife and other VOSTEED knives, or one of the things I should say I love about this knife and other VOSTEED knives, is the billboarding is to a minimal. You do see mini nightshade here at the spine of the blade, and you see the blade steel 14C right under the thumb stud, but you have to really look to see it. And over here it just says VOSTEED, but the blade, that tall, flat grind, super, super slicey blade is very sanitary. Let me grab, good news, guys. We got a coupon book. So let's grab a coupon. And let's see how that sickle blade pulls that Dude, it is very, very thin. Great blade geometry, great factory edge. This hadn't even been stropped. You guys saw me take this out of the box. So this is just from VOSTEED. And I mean, slicey is an understatement. Fantastic little cutter. Point out a couple things because this isn't a review, guys. This is just an unboxing. I'll get this uploaded so you guys that are subscribed to the channel and get notifications can go out and watch this. But you've got a deep carry pocket clip done really well here. Let's see how well it goes in pocket. Like a dream, nothing to it. You've got this really nice bar lock, which I've got extra springs, but I mean, it works perfectly. I mean, it'll break in a little bit. I don't know if this knife's on bearings or washers. I think it's on washers. No, excuse me. I think it's on bearings, so it's riding on bearings. A small little knife, give you just a real quick size comparison. Again, this is an unboxing, but that's the Benchmade mini bug out, so it's right in there around that size. When I do the review, I'll have the full Nightshade, the one I've got with the TH, the thumb hole. But I really look forward to getting this in pocket, to use this for a while, to let you guys know what I think about it. We'll get back into it when I do the review. We'll do some dimensions. I'll tell you how it worked as a cutter. I'll tell you how it processed cardboard. You guys know I don't do hardcore cutting tests. There are other channels that do that much better than me. But I will tell you what I think about this little knife. I want to say I picked it up at White Mountain Knives. I want to say it was 68 bucks. I could be wrong. I will put the link, even though it's currently sold out. You can do an email notification if you like to be notified when it comes back in stock. But I'll put a link to this particular knife. They had another one that had not a red thumb stud. It was more neutral. The reason I picked the red thumb stud is this is exactly the same knife I hung out with at Blade Show, the exact same color configuration, and I really liked it. So I'm looking forward to hanging on to this knife, checking it out, looking forward to giving you guys my feedback. I appreciate you watching any of my videos. Thank you so much. This unboxing will go up later today. Thank you if you subscribe to the channel. Thank you if you just come by and watch. Thank you if you look out for the guy or gal to your left. Thank you if you look out for the guy or gal to your right. Thank you if you look out for each other. Thank you if you go forward with love in your heart. And thank you if you choose debate over hate. I love you all. Peace.